Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry beef and vegetables, easy method. Heat a wok over high flame and dry sear thinly sliced beef in small batches for a brown crust. Add aromatics like garlic and ginger, then toss in vegetables that cook fast. Finish with a glossy sauce and a quick toss to coat. Serve immediately over rice or noodles for the best texture and flavor. Make sure everything is prepped before you cook so the wok stays hot and fast. Slice the beef thinly across the grain and toss with a little cornstarch and soy to help sear. Chop vegetables into uniform pieces and separate those that need longer cooking from those that need just a quick toss. Keep the sauce mixed and ready so you can finish the dish in one hot, confident step. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy meals. On another note, quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort that lasts with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long kitchen sessions. I dropped a link and some deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by heating oil until shimmering, then sear beef in a single layer for a quick crust and remove. Stir-fry garlic and ginger, then add firmer vegetables first followed by quick cooking ones. Return the beef, pour the sauce, and toss until everything is glossy and just cooked through. Taste and adjust with salt or a splash of vinegar, then plate immediately for best texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.